Millions of people suffer from the daily aches and stiffness of arthritis, and while there's no magic pill that cures it overnight, there is one vitamin that stands above the rest when it comes to protecting your joints, reducing inflammation, and keeping you moving. Vitamin D. Now, before you think of it as just the sunshine vitamin, let's break down the science of why it's so critical for arthritis. Imagine your bones and cartilage like the frame and shock absorbers of your car. Without enough vitamin D, your body can't properly absorb calcium, so instead of building strong bones, your joints start grinding down, like worn-out brakes. Research shows that people who are deficient in vitamin D not only have weaker bones, but also face a much higher risk of both osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis, especially during flare-ups. And here's where it gets fascinating. Vitamin D is also a powerful immune modulator. It literally tells your immune system how aggressive to be. In rheumatoid arthritis, your immune system acts like a confused guard dog, attacking the house it's supposed to protect. Vitamin D helps calm that dog down, lowering inflammation and reducing damage to your joints. Now let's bring in vitamin C. Think of it as the construction crew for your cartilage. Every time you move, your joints depend on collagen fibers to act like tiny shock-absorbing springs. But your body can't make collagen without vitamin C. Large studies, like the Framingham osteoarthritis cohort, found that people with higher vitamin C intake had significantly less cartilage loss and slower arthritis progression. Next comes vitamin K2, the traffic cop for calcium. If you take vitamin D without K2, calcium can end up in the wrong places, like your arteries or even your joints, instead of your bones. K2 activates special proteins that direct calcium straight into your skeleton, keeping your soft tissues clear and healthy. Together, these three nutrients form a powerful synergy. Vitamin D opens the door for calcium. Vitamin K2 sends it where it belongs. Vitamin C builds the collagen framework that keeps your cartilage strong. Now let's talk about how to take them. Vitamin D is fat-soluble. Take it with your largest meal, alongside healthy fats like olive oil, avocado, or fish. Vitamin C is water-soluble. You can take it anytime, though many prefer mornings for a gentle energy boost. Vitamin K2 should be paired with vitamin D, also with food, to help your body use both effectively. Try this quick test. Press firmly around your knee joint with your thumb. If you feel tenderness, stiffness, or grinding, that's your body signaling inflammation. Now imagine rebuilding that joint from the inside, supplying your cartilage with the raw materials it needs, strengthening your bones, and calming your immune system. That's the power of these three nutrients working together. Think of vitamin D as the foreman, vitamin C as the builder, and vitamin K2 as the inspector, ensuring everything ends up in the right place. Over the next 30 days, as your vitamin D levels rise, studies show you may notice less stiffness, improved mobility, and even better energy, thanks to stronger muscles and reduced inflammation. Here's a simple analogy. When your body is low in vitamin D, it's like running a factory without electricity. The machines, your bones, cartilage, and immune cells, are there, but they don't have the power to function. Once you restore vitamin D, it's like flipping the switch. The system lights up and runs as designed. So, the number one vitamin for arthritis is vitamin D, supported by vitamin C and vitamin K2. Combine them with a healthy lifestyle, regular movement, good hydration, and anti-inflammatory foods, and you will give your joints the best chance to stay strong for years to come. Try this consistently for the next month. Then, let your body show you the difference. If this was helpful, share it with someone who needs it, leave your thoughts in the comments, and most importantly, have a great day.